I've seen things. UFOs, the bitch niggas, snitches, the anti-Christ type witches, fuck a drag queen, reptile. Last call for alcohol, take a shotgun to the head. I pulled the trigger but can't remember what happened next. I was sleepwalking, what caused it? At the moment from my understanding, ain't no telling Lord to have mercy. But one thing I tell you is you're not alone. The truth is out there, peep the outer limits. Still a get more of that thing like the X-Files and no solved mission will reveal. Even the Bibles we written for when ulterior motive by some Jacob with children just feel not. Why be naive about your intuition? I know we all heard these words. Powerful, the truth lies within you. Looking at a peephole that was blurry knowledge is power like when that is a glass cleaner. My peephole began to get clearer, self-educated. Can you get the vision? Can you see the picture? I've seen things.
Yeah.